Hey baes, what's up? It's your girl BaeAsia and welcome back to BaeasiaSpeaks. This episode I'm going to show you guys how I twist my hair, I guess, post-wash. Okay, so first what I like to do is put my leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. I am not going to say the name because I always butcher it. I'm going to try Adwa. Not quite sure, but their stuff is amazing, okay? So don't let me butchering the name stop you from getting you some, okay? I just do a few pumps. And I just apply it throughout my whole head. I'm going to apply it again. So after I do all of that, I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. Or section, I like to go in with some more leave-in conditioner and really just work it in and work it in. I'm gonna take my brush, and I always love, and I always tell y'all about, and I always tell y'all to get it. I don't know if y'all be listening. Make sure it's all, detangled. Then I go in with my dim brush. I think that's what they call it. I don't know. Don't quote me. But it's one of these brushes just to really get it. You feel me? Really get those knots out. I don't want no knots. And it's smooth just like butter. Bam. So now I did that. I am going to be taking their defying cream as well. It's so amazing. This stuff is so good and it smells absolutely bomb as well. All up in my hair. Alright. And another one of my faves black owned products is from Sinful Delights. Okay, definitely check them out. They're a homemade organic. I just do that. You see all of this. Now my hair is just so juicy, so juicy. I'm not perfect with my parting, so I just honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I just twist as I go. And I just take my dim brush again, and I just twist. I like twist and pull, like tighten, I guess. I don't know what you would call that. And once I get to the ends of my hair, I like to just tap a little defining cream on my ends, and then continue to just. Some of y'all probably asking why I have this glove on, and it's because I got a nasty cut on my thumb, and it just won't let me be good. Boom. Okay, so this is after the first section. The shrinkage is real, y'all. Like, the twist ain't even tapping the shoulders at this point. So now I'm at the front of my head, but it's a little dry. I'm just gonna take my water. I'm not gonna soak my hair. I'm just making sure it got a little water. So now I'm going in with some more leave-in conditioner. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna take a chunk of my hair. Like I said, my parts are not perfect, okay? At the front, I like my front to be a little bit more, I don't even want to say neat because it's not even really neat, but I just try to define it a lot more because it's the front of my head. The front, you see, it needs a little bit more loving and take care because it's not, you see, it's not really giving. But I like for my hair to be like this, so I do the front twist to the sides, if that makes sense. I am finally on the last section, and let me just tell y'all, I'm tired. Yeah. I'm gonna do this last twist and we're gonna see the end results, baby. Okay, so this is the end results, okay? These are my little twisties. And I'm going to bed. So So it is the next day. This is how my twists look. Fully dry. Okay. Now it's time to see, and I'm hoping and praying that these came out decent. I'm gonna go in with my Sinful Delight oil and just oil up my hair before I take my twist out. And just running my fingers throughout my whole twist. So now I'm gonna just start twisting. I literally just go from the top of where the twist is, and I just right out. You see that? Look how juicy this is. This is amazing. Okay, so baes, this is all of the twist out. I haven't manipulated it yet. I'm about to go in and do that. I'm just gonna take certain curls and just separate them some more. Look how like, you see the products I only use. Go in and just, you know, spruce it up a little bit more. Not sure, I don't like this part. But then again, like when you when you take twists freshly out, they you gotta give it some time to like get its look. Okay, baes, I just wanted to show you guys the final look, you know, after I spruced myself up. And yeah, I just really am loving my hair. I'm just so super proud of it. But yes, that's the ending, guys. I hope you really enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. This is that stuff, I'm telling y'all right now. Go and get it. The Lord knows I've been on this hair journey for goddamn forever. Let me stop complaining, because I've been wanting this to happen. I wanted my hair to finally get with the program for so long. Twisting. Oh, my hair is getting, it's learning, and I'm being patient with it. So I'm just like, yeah, protect this style me, please. Cause any other day when I'm not recording, it goes perfectly fine. Okay, you feel me? Like, you see the front, it hates me. This stupid hair. Well, not stupid hair, but it's like to do these mini twists. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be fed taking these out in the morning. I've never really used a toothpick comb before. So if you have any suggestions in the comments on how I could or should use it, definitely let me know.